emergency message for Limestone County. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Limestone County Emergency Management Agency, Athens, Alabama. Due to the severe weather that has impacted Limestone County this evening, Limestone County Emergency Management requests that all non-essential persons stay off the roads. Search and recovery teams are on scene and need all available roadways to access all damaged areas throughout the county. In addition to the storm damage debris, downed power lines pose a dangerous hazard to motorists and pedestrians.